Welcome back to CarZone 2024, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the automotive world. Today, we're taking a detailed look at an icon Reborn at the 2025 Honda T360 Mini Pickup. This compact yet powerful truck brings back the charm of the original 1960s model, blending nostalgia with modern-day engineering. Starting with the front, the 2025 Honda T360 is a tribute to its roots. The front fascia is compact and minimalistic, paying homage to the original T360 with a modern twist. The rectangular grille sits proudly, featuring the classic Honda emblem at the center. A pair of sleek LED headlights, with a thin and sharp design, flank the grille, providing a futuristic look while offering superior illumination. The simple yet effective front bumper complements the overall retro-modern aesthetic, giving the truck a clean and timeless appearance. Moving along the side profile, the 2025 T360 maintains a boxy and utilitarian shape that screams practicality. Its compact dimensions make it an ideal city hauler, perfect for navigating narrow streets and tight spaces. The pronounced wheel arches give the truck a rugged stance, while the 15-inch alloy wheels offer just the right balance between durability and style. The side mirrors are neatly integrated, with a minimalistic design that contributes to the overall clean look of the vehicle. One of the standout features of the T360 is its body-colored side panels that extend seamlessly into the bed, giving it a smooth and cohesive look. The doors are designed for easy access, and despite its compact size, the cabin sits tall, enhancing visibility and giving the driver a commanding view of the road. At the rear, the T360 boasts a functional and stylish design. The tailgate is a nod to its heritage, featuring the Honda branding and bold lettering across the center. The taillights, with their simple yet modern LED layout, add a touch of sophistication to the otherwise straightforward rear end. The rear bumper is designed to be practical, allowing for easy loading and unloading of cargo, while maintaining a minimalistic aesthetic. The bed itself is impressively spacious for a mini truck, providing ample room for light cargo and daily hauling tasks. Honda has incorporated a durable bed liner, ensuring that the T360 is ready for work as much as it is for leisure. The practicality and versatility of this truck are evident, making it an ideal companion for urban dwellers and small businesses alike. While the 2025 Honda T360 remains a compact pickup, it brings modern performance to the table. Honda has engineered this truck with lighter weight materials, optimizing its efficiency without compromising durability. Its compact dimensions ensure nimble handling, making it a breeze to drive in congested city environments. The 2025 Honda T360 Mini Pickup is a beautiful balance of retro design and modern technology. It successfully captures the spirit of the original while pushing the boundaries of what a mini truck can offer today. If you're looking for a practical, stylish, and versatile vehicle, the Honda T360 is certainly worth your attention. Thanks for watching CarZone 2024. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth car reviews. Stay tuned for our next video.